Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the detailed review of the HAVN HS 420 VGPU dual-chamber mid-tower ATX PC case, please note that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment, so be sure to check it out right away. The HAVN HS 420 VGPU case is a thoughtfully engineered mid-tower designed for PC enthusiasts who prioritize cooling performance, aesthetics, and cable management. Its dual-chamber hybrid structure is optimized for GPU cooling by directing cool air from the bottom intake straight onto the centrally positioned graphics card. This is achieved through an angled bottom fan bracket combined with a glass airflow guide, ensuring that your GPU stays cool even under heavy loads. One of the standout features is the included PCIe 5.0 vertical GPU mount kit with a lightning fast riser cable. This not only allows you to showcase your graphics card prominently through the tempered glass panel, but also ensures that there is no compromise on performance. The heat-formed UniSheet glass panel offers a panoramic, distortion-free view of your components, elevating the visual appeal of your build. When it comes to cooling, this case is a powerhouse. It supports up to 11 140mm fans and can accommodate two 420mm radiators on the top and right side, making it perfect for custom liquid cooling setups or high airflow builds. The PWM fan hub simplifies fan control, while the unique sampleable routing system with groove guides enables clean and efficient cable management from top to bottom, keeping the interior tidy and visually appealing. Pros of the HAVN HS 420 VGPU include its exceptional cooling capabilities, innovative dual-chamber design, high-quality tempered glass with minimal distortion, and user-friendly cable management system. Additionally, the PCIe 5.0 riser cable is a great inclusion for those wanting to display their GPU vertically without performance loss. On the downside, the case's size and complexity might be a bit overwhelming for beginners or those with limited space. Also, with support for so many fans and large radiators, it may require a more robust power supply and additional planning to optimize airflow. Overall, the HAVN HS 420 VGPU is an excellent choice for gamers and PC builders who want a high-performance, visually striking case with advanced cooling and cable management features. Remember, the link to purchase this case at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment. Don't miss out on the savings.